Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post to your website. Now I just clicked on the blog page, and as you can see I already have a couple of blog posts here. If I click on this one, the 5 gossips you will meet, you'll see that here is a blog post. And the reason why these are important to your church website is because these topics will go out into the web, and as people search on these topics, and if we put the right keywords in, people will land on Calvary Chapel Charlotte, and hopefully they'll be compelled to want to know who we are. So the way you do it is very simple. Again, you log into your back end dashboard by typing Calvary Chapel calvarychapelcharlotte.com/wp-admin. You click enter, and this is going to take us to our login screen, which you want to log in with your username and password. And this takes us to our dashboard. Now this is your back-end dashboard. It will list all of your blog posts, as you can see, test post, and this is the one that we were just looking at. So to add new, you can go up here and click add new, or you can click add new here on the left-hand menu. So I'll go ahead and click that. And I already have a blog post ready to go, and the name of it is Why Does God Allow Burdens? So that's the title. Your title always goes up here. And then here is the content of it. Now you'll see that I have this in Notepad. There's a reason for that. Typically with word processing software like Microsoft Word, they tend to, in the back-end code, have some markup code. What pasting it into Notepad will do is it will get rid of the markup code to just plain text. So I'm going to copy it from there, and I'm going to paste, and there it is. Now as you can see, in the last tutorial with pages, you had a place to put under parent menus, but menus don't come into play here because this is a blog post. Don't worry about this area. And these are categories that you can add. So I just created a category called sanctification. Now you can add a slider, but I would recommend that you don't, because blogs are just simply short bits, short articles to help people, and we just want them to focus on the content. And so this area here, WordPress by SEO, this is for search engine optimization, and we'll focus on that later. So now I've got the title, I've got the content, and we're ready to publish the post. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And there we go. It was a little slow, I don't know why, but so if we go and we visit our site, calvarychapelcharlotte.com, I'm going to go to the blog, and then there is our new blog post. And I can click on it, and you'll see the date that it was entered and the person who entered it. In this case it was me. And you'll see the widget on the right. That's because we set up the blog post to have a right hand side, and we want that because we want people to join our social network. So there you have it. There is how you submit a blog post. And the reason why this is important is as this goes out into the web and people are searching for these, this is a way that we can help people and bring them a little hope. Now here's one very key piece of information. you'll notice that I have the Calvary Chapel Charlotte Facebook page up. And what I'll do is I will refresh this, and WordPress has a plugin called Jetpack, and I've configured Jetpack to be able to post to Facebook. So you'll see the blog post we just created, Why Does God Allow Burdens? And there it is. And also on our Twitter page, CC Charlotte, if I refresh that, there it is, Why Does God Allow Burdens? With a short link back to the website. So that way people can share it out and see. And with Twitter, we can also do hashtags, which will help. And of course, we'll set that up through Hootsuite, and we'll go from there. But that's it. That's how you do it. And happy blogging.